Have you guys always wanted to understand what encapsulation is in object-oriented programming? If so, continue watching because I'm going to be explaining what encapsulation is in very simple terms with an example. For you guys that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sahil Bora and I'm the founder and proprietor of the C++ Better Explained website, where it is our mission to give you straightforward, practical advice on how to learn the C++ programming language in plain and simple English. So encapsulation. The best way to explain what encapsulation is that encapsulation pretty much combines data and functions into one element that can be hidden inside a class. So if you guys that are learning C++, you may be understanding what classes are. So classes are a blueprint which contains public and private elements. And the advantage of the concept of encapsulation is that since we're able to create classes with C++, we are able to combine both the data and the functions within a class, which is encapsulated. And by creating a class that has both data and functions, we are able to also access those functions and data with objects by creating a class object. So if I have this example in front of you here, in front of you in this video here, you can see that there are public and private elements within this class that I've created here in front of you guys right now. And the only way that we'll be able to access elements inside this class is if I create an object of this class and then put a dot operator in front of that object to be able to access elements inside that class. So that's the advantage of encapsulation. Encapsulation allows us to access elements of a class which are normally hidden. So yeah, that's encapsulation in a nutshell. In very simple terms, it's combining data and functions into a class, for the C++ example, where the elements can be hidden inside a class. It can only be accessed via objects. So yeah, if that video made a lot of sense to you, please smash that like button down below to help with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below for the latest videos from the C++ Better Explained YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Attention computer science, IT and engineering students. Have you been trying to learn C++ but have been struggling to put the pieces together? My name is Sahil Bora and I'm the founder and the writer of C++ Better Explained. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and easily master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. So if you've been searching around for free resources that haven't made any sense at all, or free YouTube videos that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all of that to rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner that will give you learning and understanding the fundamentals of C++ within a matter of days. The book is just $27, so what I want you guys to do is to click on the button below and pick up a copy today. You will not regret this at all, and it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the book at all.